Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and in this video let's talk about the step 1 for the preparation of your placement. So it's a placement season and obviously a lot of you are about to give these placements both in campus and off campus. Now the number one step that you're going to be seeing in these placement preparation or placement campuses is going to be the number one round, which is aptitude or logical reasoning. Now, a lot of people during their college time, I have seen them, I have talked to them, they are not even aware that what is going to be the process of this placement, what is going to be asked in round 1. Round 1, 95% of the time is going to be the aptitude round or simply the logical reasoning. The next question comes up is, let's just say I'm preparing for round 1. What should I prepare in these logical reasoning? If I go in the market and buy a book, the book is this big, and preparing this much big book is going to probably take 6 months or probably an year. I don't have that much of time. So what should I do? Now, during the placements, both in on-campus and off-campus, companies don't want to have absolutely insane skills in logical reasoning or aptitude. Yes, of course, the better you have it is good, but they don't want you to be absolutely insanely crazy skilled in that. That's come up into the later exams like some of the government exams or public sectors and all of that. In the IT world, they are much more simplified. They just want to talk about simply a little bit about your math skill, probably distance time questions and something like that, which helps us to understand that this guy can see some patterns into the things and is ready for us. Through this video, I am super happy to announce that our team has worked really hard at Learn Code Online, and we are presenting a free resource in preparing for this round 1 of the placement. Yes, you heard it right, free resource. We have collected a few questions which are usually asked in most of the campus placement, both in campus and off campus, in variety of companies from small scale to the big scale ones. We have prepared this quiz so that you can take this quiz and can understand what kind of questions are being asked in these logical reasoning and aptitude tests. Now these questions are handpicked, and of course answers are also with them once you take the test. Now I can understand a lot of you. I can understand your situation that you might be a little bit worried about taking these tests. Now don't worry, you don't have to worry about taking this test, because the whole thing we are trying to prepare here is go ahead, take these tests, and whatever your situation is, just accept that. First and foremost thing to solve a problem is accept that there is a problem. Once you have understood where your situation lies up, go ahead, prepare more about that particular skill set and come back harder and try to take that test again and score better in that. Now this is the only way about learning, this is the only way about achieving the success. It's not about how much life is hitting you hard, it's all about how much time, how many times you can get back and fight again. So don't worry about these quizzes, just take these quizzes, analyze yourself where you are standing right now and take them again. I know most of you are already subscribed and are signed up to my website learncodeonline.in, but in case you are still not, go ahead. The link of the free resource of this aptitude test is in the screen as well as in the description section as well. Go ahead, take this quiz, analyze yourself, and let's start our step 1 of preparation for the placement. So our team has worked hard and provided this resource so that everybody can prepare for the upcoming placement, what you can do and how you can contribute in this. Now first and foremost, if you are a senior, make sure you share this resource with your fellow juniors, tag them in this video and make sure you ask them to take this test so that they can prepare right from the start. In case you are a junior at your college, probably first year or second year, take this test right now and also tag your seniors so that they can take one burden out of their head about preparing for the placements. It can be a great help for them. I know the community at this channel is amazing and they are very helpful. Let's try to help more people by providing more such resources so that everybody can become a better programmer and can become a successful person in their life. That's it for this video. I hope you are enjoying this and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I know all of YouTubers have trained you hard so that you press that subscribe button and all that fellow process. I know you are already prepared for that. You're already trained for that. Everybody has done that. Even I am. So that's it for this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And let's catch up in the next video.